Welcome. Today we're covering how to fold the second and third row seats in your Tesla Model X for maximum cargo space. The Model X features a fold flat seating system designed for flexibility, transforming from a passenger vehicle to a spacious transporter. This tutorial will guide you through each step for both rows. The Tesla Model X offers impressive fold flat seating capabilities in both the second and third rows, designed to transform this luxury SUV from a family vehicle into a versatile cargo transporter. The second row features either individual captain's chairs or a bench seat that folds flat electrically, providing immediate access to additional storage space. The third row, exclusive to higher trims like long range and plaid, also folds completely flat into the floor, allowing for even greater versatility. Together, these fold-flat features maximize cargo space to an impressive 88 cubic feet when both rows are folded, making the Model X exceptionally practical for transporting large items or accommodating various passenger needs. To fold the second row seats, start by ensuring the area behind and around the seats is clear of any objects, children, or pets. You can activate the folding using the buttons on the seat back, the touchscreen under Controls Seats, or the Tesla mobile app. Activating the system releases latches and pivots the seats forward and down, creating a nearly flat surface in the cargo area. With the second row folded, the cargo space increases to about 27 cubic feet, providing a spacious, nearly flat area for loading items. For the third row, first fold the second row seats. Then, press the dedicated buttons on the third row seat backs. The seats will split and slide forward before folding down. This increases cargo space significantly, up to 88 cubic feet. This feature is standard on higher trim levels like long range or plaid. Safety is the top priority when using the fold-flat seating system in the Tesla Model X. Always ensure a safe environment before operating the seats. Always prioritize safety above convenience. The fold-flat system is powerful and requires careful operation to prevent accidents or damage. Before folding any seats, thoroughly clear the area and check for obstructions. This includes ensuring no children, pets, or objects are in or near the folding path. Never attempt to fold seats while the vehicle is in motion. Always park the Model X completely before operating the fold-flat system. The fold-flat system includes built-in sensors that automatically detect obstructions. If something blocks the folding path, the system will stop and alert you. Manual overrides are available for troubleshooting stuck seats. Regular maintenance, such as keeping mechanisms clean and checking for wear, helps prevent jams and ensures reliable operation. If you encounter issues like jams or malfunctions with the fold-flat seats, start by trying the manual override option in the Tesla app or touchscreen controls. Common issues include seats getting stuck during folding, often due to obstructions or software glitches. First, try using the manual override feature. This can be accessed through the vehicle's touchscreen under Controls Seats or via the Tesla mobile app. Next, check that no cargo mats, loose items, or other objects are blocking the folding path. Remove any obstructions before attempting to fold again. Many issues can be resolved with over-the-air software updates. Tesla regularly releases firmware improvements that enhance the reliability of the folding system. If problems continue despite these steps, schedule a service appointment through the Tesla app or website. Tesla's service centers are equipped to diagnose and repair any hardware issues. According to Tesla's reliability data, folding seat issues have become less frequent over time, thanks to ongoing improvements in both software and hardware design. The fold-flat feature in the Tesla Model X is particularly useful for transporting large items that wouldn't fit in a standard SUV. By folding the seats, you can create a spacious cargo area perfect for bulky loads. Tesla owners frequently use this feature for moving furniture, carrying sports equipment, and even accommodating wheelchair access for mobility needs. The Tesla mobile app enables remote pre-folding of the seats, allowing you to prepare the vehicle before arriving. This saves time and effort, especially when loading or unloading. When transporting items, always ensure they are properly secured to prevent shifting during transit. Use tie-down points and cargo nets to maintain safety. The trend in EVs is moving towards more modular and app-enabled seating systems. These allow for greater flexibility and customization through smartphone apps and vehicle interfaces. Future developments may include AI-driven folding, where autopilot predicts and adjusts seats based on trip data. This could automatically reconfigure the interior for optimal comfort and cargo needs. Expect to see increased use of recyclable materials in seat construction, reducing environmental impact. Innovations like voice-activated commands will allow hands-free seat adjustments, creating a fully autonomous interior experience. Competitors like Rivian and Ford are adopting similar fold-flat designs, making modular seating a key feature in the EV market. This competition drives innovation and brings these technologies to more consumers.